Good morning, members of the press, fellow partners, the organizers, and of course the performers. Stanbic Bank is once again excited to sponsor the Tugende Muchikade concert, a concert that seeks to bring together legendary performers, acts that you can see today, some of which, like they have spoken, you haven't heard from for a very long time, but we seek to remember. This, I must say, is exciting. Excited to be part of them, to be seated here with some of them. Just now, we've just been chatting with Sarah already, and I was just telling her voice is still magical.
Yeah.
Yes, you can just tell that she's got that power in her, and I'm excited that we still rally behind such good talent as a bank. So we're really excited to be part of this amazing talent. At the bank, we're all about providing convenience to the consumers out there, to the public. And we know that music brings people together, brings communities together. So as a bank, we want to make it easy and convenient for all of you to come and enjoy yourselves on 4th April. And what we are doing today is announcing that special discount that you will get when you come to pay for your ticket. By using the Stanbic digital platforms, you will be able to enjoy a 20% discount when you use your card to pay for the ticket. So can you imagine how amazing that is? That is fantastic. So Stanbic is bringing that to you. And as you can imagine, as a bank, we're seeking to innovate around payments and collections. So we've added a new platform onto the table, which is FlexiPay. FlexiPay is a mobile payments and collection platform that seeks to enable as many people to enjoy, the convenience of coming to pay for goods and services, and also enjoy coming for such social entertainment. So you can actually come and pay for your show ticket as long as you have a mobile phone and you have a mobile wallet. For now, we're using MTN, which is also a partner of ours. If you have a mobile wallet with MTN, you can pay directly from your MTN wallet to the Sprout account. There's a short code that you will be seeing in a lot of our communications, on flyers and TV, that will be available. So we're making it convenient for everyone to come and enjoy this legendary